This is a fairly new thing in Greenville, and we're so happy that it's happening because in other cities around the country, food trucks have been a very popular thing and very convenient.
Yeah. And I love it's European cuisine inspired by a Southern tradition. So I'm not really even sure what that means, but it sounds delicious.
Oh, it's just like nasi we just talked to.
I know.
Nature calls. And we don't want to hold up.
Yeah, we don't hold up your line. We're doing a YouTube show kind of on Greenville and what's cool and new, and so we've already heard about you guys.
That's awesome.
So we would just love for you to kind of tell us a little bit about what it is.
Sure.
Yeah.
We were in New York and we were cooking in restaurants in New York. Kind of got tired of that lifestyle. It's just too much, and we wanted to open our own business. And it just seemed like the natural thing to do is food trucks. We were surrounded by them in New York.
Right.
We love them. It's like the best way to eat. And we were just trying to decide where to do it. Graham, the other owner, he's from Greenville.
Perfect.
And so we were looking here. We looked in Charleston, Asheville, Charlotte. And because it was so new to Greenville, we knew this was just where we had to come. And
so how's the reaction been? Are you getting Greenville support?
Absolutely. I mean, we expected that we would be embraced by everybody, but we were not expecting just how huge the reception has been. And so every day we wake up and we're like, oh, so glad we came to Greenville to do this.
Awesome.
I couldn't imagine being somewhere else. Thank you.
Well, best of luck.
Thank you so much.
And I really want to see. I'm gonna have to try those Brussels sprouts soon. Yeah. That sounds like
they really are.
I mean, really. Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks for talking to us.
I'm having a little bit of a Marilyn Monroe moment with this dress.
I'm so hungry. They just make me work all the time and they won't feed me. Patrick says it's to keep me skinny.
Nature calls.